MINISFORUM NAB8 Plus Mini PC, the silent revolution your desk has been waiting for. You sit down at your desk, open the browser with 20 tabs, fire up your editor or timeline, and wait. Again. The fans spin up, the room warms, the big box under the desk claims half your legroom and all your peace. You've accepted it for years. Power means size, noise, heat, clutter. The hidden cost no one talks about is the slow drain on your focus, your patience, your creative energy, day after day. You keep thinking there has to be a better way, but everything promising compact feels like a downgrade in disguise. Sound familiar? Exactly? That constant low hum lives in your ears, even when you're not working. The warm air blowing against your shins, the way render times or compile cycles steal 15, 30, 60 minutes a day that you'll never get back. Week by week, it adds up. Hundreds of lost hours a year, higher electricity bills, the quiet resentment that your setup is holding you back while you're trying to move forward. You upgrade the GPU, add another drive, buy a bigger desk, and still feel boxed in. Your future self looks back and wonders why you put up with it for so long. And the worst part, you've started to believe this is just how it has to be. It isn't. This is where MINISFORUM NAB8 Plus Mini PC enters, and everything changes. It's simply a 14-core, 20-thread Core i7-1280H, real desktop-class silicon packed into a metal brick smaller than most novels, preloaded with 32 GB RAM and a 1 TB NVMe drive. That's the entire mechanism. No magic, just engineering that refuses to compromise. The quiet superpowers it gives you are almost unfair. Triple 4K displays without a hiccup, dual 2.5 gigabit LAN that makes buffering a forgotten memory, OC Link ready for an external GPU whenever you want it, and fan noise so low you'll sometimes check if it's even on. One user went from a loud, hot tower and a lagging laptop to a clean desk with 3 screens. Told me I got 2 hours of my life back every single day. Wait, you're allowed to have all that in something this small? Immediate result the moment you boot. Everything opens instantly. No more watching progress bars. Within a week, you're finishing projects in half the time. Long-term, you have the freedom to put serious computing anywhere. Office, living room, behind the monitor, travel bag, without ever thinking about space or noise again. Benchmarks show it trading blows with desktops costing twice as much. Users report running multiple 4K timelines, half a dozen virtual machines, or full Proxmox clusters without thermal throttling. Experts and reviewers keep calling it the best mini PC in its class and the one prosumer machine that actually delivers. While most mini PCs choke on low-power chips the moment you push them, the NAB8 Plus sustains performance like it has something to prove and wins. I noticed this after 3 weeks. My computer simply disappeared from my awareness. It just worked, quietly, perfectly. The deepest felt benefit is the calm that settles in when your tools finally get out of your way and let you do your best work in peace. Today is better than tomorrow because you can end the compromise right now and start living with that calm tomorrow morning. Link in the description, first one, pinned to the top. Go grab yours. I promise your future self will thank you for not waiting another day. Talk soon.